Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Whole Printing Inc. In today's very quick yet exciting video, I'm sharing with you guys the best place to get your very own DTF supplies. My name is Dom, I've been in the printing industry for years, I've worked with many big corporations and I help you on your printing journey. I'll try to keep this video super quick, but the main point of this video, if you take a look at the first links in the description, is going to take you to wprinting.ca. This website is going to allow you to purchase one-on-one consultations if ever you're having problems with your DTF printers, or as well as any products you might need. Now, why buy from wprinting.ca? Very simple. I am not in the business of reselling ink, powder, DTF film. I'm in the business of making t-shirts, growing my own personal business, and helping you on your printing journey. My goal, yes, is to make a profit as a business owner, but my number one goal is to test my products and understand what works best. By buying our products, you're going to be investing into long-term quality of DTF printing so we can better educate ourselves, better understand what supplies work and what supplies need to be switched out. After doing this for years and years, we pretty much know which supplies are the best, which suppliers are the best, so we can resell those products and really dial in the quality. By also supporting us and buying our supplies, we're able to reinvest that profit and buy more supplies and continue our testing. Before we sell anything to you, the consumer, we make sure to test in our own shop with our own machines to make sure the quality is perfect. Quick example, DTF white ink. There's so many suppliers. We've tested out a bunch of suppliers, and with your help we can continue to understand and test what is the best DTF white ink out there. Same thing goes for film, DTF powder, cleaning solution. So again, we're not in the business of reselling products. However, if you do want to buy from a trusted supplier that has your best intention in mind, we do have white ink in stock. We have a bunch of DTF L1800 print heads, 9 pins, 13 pins, as well as cleaning solution. You name it, we have it in stock currently. So make sure you guys go take a look if you want somebody reliable and somebody you can trust. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video somewhat insightful, make sure you leave a like. Go take a look at wprinting.ca, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. This was Dom from Whole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.